lovely people, welcome to my channel. My name is Naturally DCA, and in today's video we are going to make a face scrub using honey and sugar. And the sugar I'm using, the white sugar and the pure honey, the one that is very thick. And you know the benefit of honey on the skin, it's open up your skin pores to cleanse them and get rid of any blackheads. Its antioxidant, antiseptic, and antibacterial properties allow it to help you fight acne by keeping your pores free of oily dirt, while at the same time tones them. And also it hydrates and tightens the skin to give you a clearer complexion. And you know sugar keeps the skin moisturized and remove dirt and unclog your pores, soft and supple. Now before we get into the video, if this is your first time watching my video, you like doing DIYs, please, this is the right channel for you. Don't forget to subscribe and share to your friends to benefit. And I have my 1 spoon of white sugar here. The honey, any type of honey that you get, mine is really thick, as you can see. I'm not going to use all that much of this, so I'm using this amount of it into it so that I can have the rough and smooth. See how it goes. Yeah. That's the scrub, so simple and so easy to do. Now our scrub is ready. So simple and so easy. Now let me show you how I'm going to apply this. So guys, I'm showing you how to use your honey and sugar scrub. So I just pick any amount of the honey sugar scrub, and then I'm going ahead to apply it on my pores. You see? So simple and easy to do. Don't forget your neck, because most of the time your neck is neglected. So with the scrub, you try as much as possible to include your neck. And wherever I have my acne, I'm going to apply it there. So that's how it goes. So simple and so easy. That's the remains I have. I'm going to use this, I think, tonight for about 2 days. 2 days it will. So guys, I'm going to leave this on for about 30 minutes, not long or that much. I can feel my skin really working its magic. So